Workspace in ContextMinds is a perfect place for sharing maps with your colleagues, students, and classmates. In this video, we'll teach you everything about Workspace and its administration. First thing you need to do is to apply for a Workspace. You will find the link on the official website ContextMinds.com, where you can also register for free to ContextMinds. After you log into ContextMinds, the list of your maps will appear on your screen. Click on My Maps in the upper left corner. This will show other available workspaces. Now open the selected workspace. The maps in Workspace are sorted into folders. You can easily edit every folder. For example, you change its name or you put it into different folder. You may also open the maps that were created by other Workspace members. Click on the cogwheel icon and select Map Actions. There you may choose from many options such as printing your map or exporting your map to your computer. If you want to make any changes in the map that's not yours, click on the Save button. It will create the copy of the original map, which can be changed according to your needs. You can, for example, add more terms from related concepts. Now click on the cogwheel icon again and choose Map Properties. Now select the proper folder. If the map is not sorted into any folder, it cannot be seen by other Workspace members. Only the owner of the Workspace and the administrators will see the map which is not in any folder. If you create a new map, you also have to sort it in a folder. Write down the name of your map, and just like before, put it in a proper folder. Here you can also create a new folder. If you want to know who are the members of your team and who can manage the folders, click on your profile icon and choose My Account. Now select Workspace Administration. In the Workspace Administration, there are two important parts, which are Teams and Folders. If you are owner or administrator of the Workspace, you will see Advanced Settings. There, you can add other administrators or change the name of your Workspace. Teams contains all the information about your team members. Click on the blue button and create a new team. To add new members, click on the Edit icon on the right side of your screen. You can add the members individually by clicking on the blue button, or you may use Mass Import, where you paste the list of emails. Don't forget to put one email per line. The editor can add other members to the team. Folders contains the list of folders that were created in your Workspace. If you click on the Edit icon on the right side of your screen, you may decide which team can see the folder, add maps and remove maps. Click on the blue button and create a new folder. Then, just like before, edit the folder and select which team can see the folder, add maps or remove maps. You can also share the folders with other workspaces. The only thing you need to add is the organization ID, which is situated in the upper right corner in your Workspace Administration.